Times now, through its sources, has come to know that Terry Walsh has written a letter to the Sports Authority of India conveying his willingness to continue as the coach of the Indian hockey team. Now, Walsh, who had left for Australia after negotiations failed with the Hockey India, now has said that he hopes that the issues with Hockey India sorted out, that misinformation about him is not spread in the public domain. Getting us more details is Karishma, who's with us now. Karishma, what more do we know about this? Walsh says he's willing to return back, but what really are you hearing from the Sports Authority of India about this?
Yes, Terry Walsh has wrote a letter to the Sports Authority of India. Sources are telling us that he wants to come back. But the issue here is that all the three parties, that is the Ministry and the Sports Authority and Hockey India, all need to be in agreement for Walsh to come back. So that is the big question, because Narinder Batra is insistent that Terry Walsh will not come back until and unless he clears his issue of the USA hockey controversy, wherein he was, investigated for financial irregularities.
But Karishma, having said that how does this matter get sorted out? You mentioned the fact that there are some issues of financial impropriety against Walsh, and the authority says we need to sort them out first. But how really will this, side get sorted out? Who's going to blink first?
It is very important, because right now the team is travelling for the Champions Trophy without Terry Walsh, and Roland Altman has been named the coach. So it really needs to be seen whether Hockey India is ready to take back Terry Walsh or not.
And Karishma, on the point that Walsh had written a letter to the Sports Authority of India conveying his desire to continue, has he officially heard from them yet on this?
I have officially, Sports Authority of India hasn't given a reaction as yet, but yes, sources are confirming to us that Terry Walsh has indeed written a letter to the Sports Authority of India.